Hey everyone, my name is Foster, and I'm the Community Manager for ECOMI. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to bridge your OMI tokens from Layer 1 to Layer 2. By the end of this video, you will be able to install and add OMI to MetaMask, connect MetaMask to the IMX token bridge, send your OMI tokens to the IMX bridge, and finally depositing your tokens into your Layer 2 OMI web wallet. If you hold any OMI tokens in a personal wallet, such as a Ledger Cold Storage, or hold OMI tokens on a cryptocurrency exchange, and you want to earn extra perks such as bonus MCP points or bronze tickets, then this video is for you. Let's get started. The first step that we'll do in order to bridge our tokens from Layer 1 to Layer 2 is downloading and installing the MetaMask browser extension for PC. At this time, you are required to use the browser extension on a PC, as using mobile or any other type of device will not work, so ensure that you are using the browser component when using the MetaMask extension. To download the MetaMask browser extension, you can go to metamask.io or click the link in the description down below, which will direct you to download it to your browser. If you are on the MetaMask website and you are unsure how to create a wallet or you have any concerns, you can watch the video linked in the description below from our partners at Collective Shift, who do a great in-depth discussion as to how to create and set up a MetaMask wallet. Now that we have our MetaMask wallet created, we will want to add the OMI token contract address so that we can receive and view our OMI tokens in our wallet. The contract address will be listed in the description of the video and can also be accessed via the ECOMI Notion portal, where a written step-by-step guide of this process can be found in multiple languages. When sending any token, you should always ensure to send a small amount, known as a test transaction, to verify that you are sending the correct token to the right address. Once you've received your test transaction of OMI tokens and can confirm that they've been sent to the right address, also ensure to send yourself some Ethereum, as it will be required to pay the associated gas fees for bridging your OMI tokens from Layer 1 to Layer 2. When sending your Ethereum, you will use the same address that you did to send your OMI, as the OMI token lives on the Ethereum blockchain. Now that we have our OMI tokens and Ethereum on our MetaMask browser extension, we're going to move to the next step, which is connecting our MetaMask to the IMX token bridge. To move the tokens between Layer 1 and Layer 2, you must have your MetaMask browser connected to the bridge site. To access the Immutable bridge site, you can use the link down in the description below or in the ECOMI Notion article. And once you've clicked on it, you will be prompted with a message that requires you to log in if this is your first time ever connecting to the site. Once you've logged in, ensure that you're connected to the mainnet and click Connect Wallet. Once you're connected to the bridge site, you'll be prompted to choose which wallet address you would like to connect to the bridge. Ensure that you are picking the correct wallet with the OMI tokens that are currently in it, and then confirm and sign the transaction. Now that we've connected our wallet, and we've added our OMI tokens to it, we are at the point where we can now bridge from Layer 1 to Layer 2. As we continue with this process, it's important to note that when you're interacting with the token bridge, ensure that you're only using the official links and sites that have been provided in this article and video. All interactions through the site can only be performed by you through your own MetaMask wallet, and anyone offering services to help you bridge or impersonating a team member offering the same is a scam attempt and should not be entertained. Now that we've connected our MetaMask wallet to the IMX bridge site and confirmed that it is the same wallet that holds our OMI tokens, we are going to click on the deposit button and select OMI so that we can add OMI tokens to Layer 2. Once you click deposit, the IMX link will open and MetaMask will ask you to sign a request confirming that you want to interact with the bridge. The IMX link will automatically open with the OMI token already populated, and it will show you your available balance on Layer 1, which you can convert to Layer 2. Once you've selected the amount of OMI you wish to bridge, you can click Next, and MetaMask will prompt you to pay an ETH transaction fee. It's important to remember, you must already have ETH in the same address connected to the bridge site in order to process the transaction. You will be required to pay 2 gas fees if you deposit OMI to Immutable X. The first transaction permits the IMX bridge to access and interact with your tokens. But if the gas is too high at any point in time, you can reject the transaction and return when it's lower, and you can track the gas fees using the link down in the description below. Once you've entered the amount of tokens that you wish to deposit, confirm the transaction and approve the deposit in MetaMask. You will leave the screen or browser open and will receive a confirmation message when this transaction has been processed. It's important to note that it can take a few minutes or more, so do not panic if it does not come through immediately. You will know it has gone through once you are prompted to pay a second gas fee by MetaMask, which is actually depositing your OMI to Immutable X Layer 2. It's important to reiterate that this deposit can take some time, 10 minutes or more in some cases depending on network congestion, for you to see the transaction success message and sign the second, and deposit to be fully confirmed on the Layer 2 balance on screen. Do not process another deposit until your first one has been fully confirmed and your Layer 2 balance has been updated on screen. Now that we have our OMI tokens on the IMX bridge, they are officially on Layer 2, and we have entered the final step, which is sending our tokens from the IMX bridge to our VeVe web wallet so that they can be used on the platform. In order to send your tokens, you will need the token address on your VeVe web wallet. You can sign in using the link down below in the description and enter your details to access the VeVe app. Once you've accessed it, you will be able to enter the Send Receive section, and your OMI balance will be available, and you can scan or copy the QR code, which will be needed in the next step. Ensure that your MetaMask account is still connected to the IMX bridge and it is using the correct wallet that you have your Layer 2 OMI balance in. Once you've done so, you can select Transfer on the IMX bridge and copy or paste your OMI wallet address from the VeVe web wallet into the receiver box. In the Transfer section, ensure that you have OMI selected from the dropdown and enter the amount of OMI you wish to send. As always, we recommend starting with a small test amount to put into your VeVe OMI wallet. Once you've picked the amount of OMI that you're comfortable with sending, select Send OMI. Once you've hit send, the Immutable X link will show you the amount of OMI you are transferring. If it is correct, hit confirm. MetaMask will prompt you to sign a transaction and confirm you wish to connect to the site and transfer your tokens. And once you've done so, you will see the transfer complete message on the IMX screen and a success message on the bridging site with your transaction details. You can also use these same instructions to transfer your OMI tokens to another VeVe user on Layer 2, or use your Layer 2 tokens in another external game or application. If you've made it this far into the video, congratulations! Your OMI tokens should now be on the VeVe web app, and you can begin to use them in the ecosystem. Friendly reminder that VeVe only accepts tokens bridged from Layer 2 on the IMX site. Do not send your tokens from a cryptocurrency exchange or from a personal wallet, as they could become lost. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to the ECOMI YouTube channel so you do not miss any other content that will be put out moving forward. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section down below. Follow us on the ECOMI socials on Twitter, as well as Discord, so that you are staying up to date and do not miss any other information that will be coming out about the project. Thank you all. Have a good day.